Hello everyone, this is me Sampada Jain, a Delhi based makeup artist and a content creator. So today I am going to create this look using all the Red Beauty products I recently bought. So let's get into the video. So the first product we are going to try is their Always an Optimist Pore Diffusing Primer. So they have this tube-like packaging and I'm going to take a pea-size amount of this primer, and it's a silicone based primer and it looks like this. So I don't have a lot of pores on my skin, so I cannot tell if this is a pore diffusing primer, but this is actually smoothing my skin a lot. It is actually gliding really nice on my skin, and it is also not feeling very sticky on the skin, which is a really good plus point. If you have oily to combination skin, I guess this would be a really great pick for you. So I don't have the foundation and concealer, but they do send me this as a freebie. So this is their sample cards. So I guess I can use the shade 250W as my foundation, and I can use 180W as my concealer, and I'll be using 450N as the bronzer. So 250W was a little bit light for me as a foundation, so I've added 340C too, but I wouldn't say it is full coverage, but yes, it is a medium coverage concealer. As you can see, it did hide my acne spots to an extent. Now using 180W as a brightening concealer under my eyes, on my chin, and a little bit on forehead and nose. I'm really loving this concealer. The coverage, the finish, everything is just so on point. Now I'm doing the bronzer part, and this looks very pigmented, so I'm using a very little bit. I'm blending it side by side only. My face looks so snatched over here. I'm doing a little bit on the forehead as well. I'm not doing too much because I already have a small forehead. A little bit on the nose too, and also I don't have any eyeshadow from Red Beauty, so I'm just using the bronzer shade on the crease area to build that definition. Next up, I'm using the most viral product from the range, which is their blush. I'm in the shade Happy, and I'm just putting 2 dots over there as it's really pigmented. I'm a total blush lover and I really love this product. The way it blends into my skin is just so perfect. If you are a makeup artist like me and you are looking for a blush to apply on your brides or any of the clients, you have to purchase this one. The blush looks so good on me, and to set all of this, I'm using this Rare Beauty compact powder, and I'm in the shade Light Beige, and also they give this card which says you are rare, which is so cute. I'm using very little bit of this as it's very pigmented, and this one actually sets your base so well. This is very lightweight and it won't crease after a long time too. So all of my base is set, and I must say this compact powder is great for every skin tone out there, as it's not too much heavy on the skin and it's very long lasting. Next up, I'm using the mascara in the variant black, just wiggling and applying on my lashes. My lashes look so cute, although they are actually very long in real life too, but this actually gives them a really good length. Now moving to the product, I'm really obsessed with this right now. This is their blush highlighter and I'm in the shade Cheer, and this is how it looks like. I must say the packaging, the product, the formulation, everything of Rare Beauty is so top notch. Only applying it to the high points of my skin and just look at that glow. Although being an oily skin girly, trust me, I don't always apply highlighter, but this one, it's my really a go-to product. Although if on some days you don't feel like applying a blush and highlighter separately, you can use this one too, as this one is a 2-in-1 product. I'll quickly do my brows and then come back. I've done my brows using the Forever 52 brow gel, and I'm also done with the lip liner using the Mars Choco Liner. So I have one lipstick and one liquid lipstick from them. So let's start with the lipstick. This is in the shade Humble and it opens in like a magnetic form. And this is how the lip shade looks like. I'm just blending the edges. So this is how the lipstick looks like, and I must say this really smells so good. And from the liquid lipstick range, I have this one in the shade Fearless, and this is a very pretty mauvey brown shade, keeping the look very soft and fresh over here. This is the final look, and I'm really obsessed with this one. I hope you guys like this video, and to be honest, except the mascara thing, I guess everything was a total bang on, and if I would repurchase something from this video, I would repurchase everything except the mascara. The mascara was good, but I guess you can always find a better dupe in the drugstore market. So yes, I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know what more content you guys want to see. Bye bye.